Hello. I'm gonna be doing a TMI tag. I've been tagged by Race Sigs, Abby of Life and Beauty Chick, tama ba? Si Ivy! I'll be putting their links down below, so if you wanna check out their TMI tags, lalagay ko yung link down below. Alright, so let's begin this tag! I changed pwesto, alright? Kasi I wanna sit somewhere soft. Okay, first question. What are you wearing? And alam ko yung first question nabasa ko na to kaya nagsuot ako ng bra, pero usually hindi ako nag-bra. This is a shirt. Yan, shirt lang. Yan, tsaka pambahay na shorts. Ayan yan. Hindi na ako tatayo. Makikita niyo yung mga pata-pata. Number 2, ever been in love? Of course! Kaya nga ako, I'm married na already kasi naloko sa pag-ibig. Ever had a terrible breakup? I think nasabi ko na to before. Yung sa get to know me tag ko na I had a boyfriend na hindi na nagparamdam sa akin. Thank you for breaking up with me. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa'yo, wala akong Jaya and Papa Kids. Number 4, how tall are you? I'm 5 flat. How much do you weigh? I weigh around 54, 55 ganun, kilos. I think that's I don't know. Wag na natin i-convert. Any tattoos? No. Any piercings? 7. OTP. Ano OTP? Yeah, you know me. Hindi ko alam yung OTP. Favorite show na na-enjoy namin, Modern Family. Game of Thrones, yeah. Malapit na mag-start ulit yung new season. Friends, yung reruns ng Friends, na-enjoy ko siya ngayon. New Girl. Yan. Favorite bands? Sa bands, I do have a lot. Marami Foo Fighters, Nirvana, Pearl Jam. All of the 90s alternative, no doubt. Tool, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Stone Temple Pilots. Yun kasi yung both we enjoy, kaming mag-asawa, kami ni kids. Something you miss? I miss having no responsibilities. Yung wala kayong aasikasuhin. Alam niyo yung nag-aaral pa ako. I don't have to worry about paying bills, na hindi ko kailangan mag-problema kung anong kakainin namin sa buong araw. Namimiss ko yun. Number 12, favorite song. My favorite song, I don't know. Marami. Kami ni kids, ang favorite song namin, Closer, 9 Inch Nails. How old are you? I am 29. I'm 29. Zodiac sign, Sagittarius. 15. Quality you look for in a partner. I already found my partner. Everything about kids. Favorite quote. I found this sa Twitter ni Dulce Candy. Or sa Instagram. I'm not really sure. If somebody is talking about you, don't give it energy. It's a distraction. Instead of getting upset, remember they don't talk about ordinary people. They talk about exceptional people. A favorite actor, Mark Wahlberg. Favorite color, black and white. Loud music or soft? Loud music. Where do you go when you're sad? I have two options. Kung may pera ako, I will go shopping. Pero kung wala akong pera, sa rooftop and I'll just stare dun sa Manila Bay. How long does it take you to shower? Mga 10 to 15 minutes. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Ayun, ibang usapan na to. Shower, mabilis ako. Pero pag nag-ayos ako, to be honest, mga 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour and a half. Ever been in a physical fight? Yung ate ko lang, talagang nagrambo lang kami. Pero remember that time, galit na galit yung nanay ko kasi wala kaming ginawang magkapatid kundi mag-away, mag-inggitan. Alam mo, ginawa ng nanay ko sa amin, pinaguntog kaming dalawa. Hindi na kami nag-away mula nun. Hindi na kami nagsakitan. 24, turn on, nice voice, bedroom voice. Turn off, bad breath, dugyot. Yun. Dugyot in a way na hindi naliligo, mga ganon. The reason I joined YouTube, because it's fun! Fears? Ipis! Harapan mo na ako ng kahit ano. Just the thought of it. Last thing that made you cry. Lagi kasi ako naiiyak pag nanonood ako ng commercial. Minsan kahit ang babaw-babaw. Yung Julie's Bake Shop, yung parang nagbigay lang yung bata ng tinapay dun sa namamalimos. Yun. Naiiyak na ako dun. Last time you said you loved someone. Kanina lang, before yata ako umakyat dito kay Jaya. You always say, I love you. Kahit minsan parang sapilitan na lang yung sige, I love you, mama. Meaning behind your YouTube name. Actually, dapat siya magiging Ann Klutz TV. Or, sabi ko, parang ang dami ng TV. Maiba naman, The Ann Klutz yun. Ang name ko, yung Ann, nickname ko, kasi my real name is Joanne. Klutz is because my last name is Clutario. Klutz. It's not Klutz. It's Klutz. Last book you read. The last book I read, siguro yung mga nursing books ko, yun pa yung last. Na as in, talagang dibdibang basa ba. Yun. The book you're currently reading, not really reading currently. If I do, kasi I love reading, yun nga lang, I really don't have the time. Minsan, the time spent reading, parang mas gusto ko pang matulog na lang, or spend time cleaning the house. The last show you watched, madalas ang manood ng vlogs, pero show hindi. Yung movie na lang, kasi kanina pinapanood ko yung movie ni Richard Gomez tsaka ni Don Zulueta, yung iisa pa lamang. Last person you talked to, Jaya. The relationship between you and the person you last texted. My husband. Favorite food, I don't mind eating every day. Sinigang. Sinigang na baboy. And pinakbet. Place you want to visit. Mula pa nung pagkabata ko, I always dreamed of New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Do you have a crush? Sa lalaki, ang crush ko, si Mark Wahlberg at saka si Dwayne Johnson. I don't know bakit ko crush si Dwayne Johnson. There's something about him. I don't know. Sa babae naman, my crush is si Kate Hudson. Meron talaga sa babae, no? Si Kate Hudson at si Michelle Rodriguez. Last time you kissed someone, kanina lang. Lagi kami nagkikiss dito. Kami ni Jaya, kinikiss ko siya. Lalo sa kilikili. Last time you were insulted. When you're in YouTube, you always get insulted. Minsan kahit parang hindi siya insulto. Pero in a way, parang na-feel mo gusto kang insultohin. I don't know if you get me, pero siguro yung mga nag-YouTube naiintindihan ako. Yung parang, sa unang basa, parang hindi siya insulto. Pero once na hinimay-himay mo or you read between the lines, insulto siya. So, yeah, madalas, pero Kevs, I really don't care. Favorite flavor of sweet? Chocolate. What instruments do you play? I can play guitar, pero wala na akong practice, but I do. I learned by myself. Song hits lang, tsaka chord chart. Doon lang ako natuto. Favorite piece of jewelry? Kahit nga earrings, wala oh. Last sport you played? Ping pong, kasi naglalaro si Papa ng ping pong. So, yun yung last sport na I played. But I'm not a player. I'm not a player. I just crush a lot. Last song you sang? Iisa pa lamang. Sa dinami-dami. I don't know. Shut up, Lan. Shut up. Shut up. Hindi ko alam eh, sorry. Last time you hung out with anyone? A week ago, nagpunta dito si Michelle. Hi, Michelle! She also does YouTube videos. Ilalagay ko yung link niya down below. Who should answer these questions next? Everyone who's watching, if you wanna do this, just do it. Wala lang, so you can share something about you, get up close and personal. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Oh, don't forget to click like if you like more tag videos. Veggies. Munggo. Okay na. Sige na, babay na. Baka may tinga-tinga na ako. Bye! Microbiology and parasitology. Napagbabahin daw, kailangan yung vampire. Pwedeng ganyan, pwedeng ganito, ano pa ba? O so, wag hands. Kasi yung